Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this notes overlay effect. Clip 1. Take a video of yourself typing on your phone. Clip 2. Set a black background and take a screen recording of your New Year resolutions. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your video into InShot. Press PIP and add the screen recording. Press crop to crop your video. Now resize it and tap Blend, Screen to blend the two videos. Tap Speed to adjust the speed of your clip. And you'll get something like this. Here are the final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.